Good evening, guys. Good evening, traders. Today is August 19th, and right now is 9:40 p.m. Helsinki time. And I have decided to show you Forex market for today. What happened specifically on Euro USD market. As you can see, this is a demo account specifically made for DTA Day Trading Academy, retail traders, small, on average retail traders, they do have about $1,000 on their accounts, and for that reason I'm keeping this for the demo, to show you some active trades, what retail traders place during the day, how they react to market conditions, how they place stop losses, how they close their positions, and what they actually seek in terms of profit. But let's move to today's day. What had happened today was an interesting day. I have marked the day in this purple square. So it had from 12 a.m. 19 August and until now. Basically, market is still moving for today. Today is not over. But what I wanted to talk about in this video is specific strategy which works against retail traders quite often, and I want to share it with you, so it might help you during your day trading experience. And if you have questions or comments on my strategy after this video, feel free to share in comment sections. So let's see how the market looked. So as you see, the day is starting from 12 a.m. so before European market is going to sleep. European traders, retail traders, obviously, they might place an order for the night if anything happens. So if you have some time after 12 o'clock at night and you are still not sleeping, you might watch for the market and place an order, thinking that this would be a great time for you to catch the market move. So what had happened as you can see, this green bar, exactly at 1 a.m. Helsinki time, Cairo time, at 1 a.m. the market showed a significant move up. This is a 15 minutes graph, by the way, and what had created is a rush for an opening. So in your psychology, this day is just starting, and the market's first move is quite important because it might show you a need to rush and open the trade as soon as possible. Otherwise, you might miss an opportunity. This is what happens in your brain, in your psychology, where everyone is a human being, and this is a common sense for us. If we seek for an opportunity and we are ready, we're ready to make our first and maybe last decision before we go to sleep. We see the opportunity comes right up to us. We most likely will take a risk and enter this market and place it probably for the night with a stop loss. So what happened? The retail traders, the normal retail traders, would enter, buy long in this situation. So let's mark them. Don't get me wrong, dog is just a follower. So I love dogs, I'm a dog lover, but dogs are following people. So in this case, I'm marking it because this trader or traders, simple retail traders, are following the market's move. So what's happening next? The market doesn't show any significant movement, and the time goes by. So the time maybe like 3 a.m. definitely like 90% of simple traders who has their regular daily work, or students, anybody, we need to sleep during the night, and for that reason, to keep us safe in psychology on the market, we are trained to do it. We place a stop loss. Well, the most obvious stop loss where I would put is to minimize my financial losses for this position, since I'm not sure what's going to happen. So like I'm looking for some maybe round numbers and place my stop loss maybe under them. Like the price 1.16500 looks quite interesting to me, appealing visually, and let me place a horizontal line here. So this would mark here I'm marking my stop loss, like virtual stop loss. If I would be in this position as a simple trader and I'm planning to go to sleep, I would put a stop loss here, and hopefully in the morning I will sort it out. Well, what had happened during the night, the stop loss was definitely taken. So the retail traders who have opened this trade closed their positions with a negative amount for this trade. So they woke up maybe like 6 a.m. before school, before work, and they see their position is closed. So what's happening next? It's not so bad, because yes, you lost, but the day is just starting, right? What's gonna happen next? The market is quite not very volatile and stable and slow. So this is a 15 minutes graph. The market is really slow in the morning, today's morning, Tuesdays. The market actually is moving towards your position where you have entered, almost there. This is an interesting situation because eventually what's going to happen in your brain if the market hits this price. So you would think that your decision to place a stop loss was incorrect, and time you would place no stop loss at all, or a bigger one to feel even more safer. But this is just one problem, which we will get back to it. Right now there is another problem for these guys. Their day is negative, but our target as a human, in human psychology, we are always doing something for something. So our spent energy and spent money is for making profit. So we are eager to make profit today. So what is happening in our psychology here as you can see, the market starts moving in the direction where we actually was planning to go. So we think that we were right with our entering position. We simply made a mistake with our stop loss level. And this retail trader starts to enter again. This is easy enter. You already had this enter previously. It just didn't work. What's gonna happen next? The market moves towards your profit target. But remember, even though you have placed the same amount versus this same amount, you're still in negative position. You need more price movement up to become some positive, some profitable in overall trading. So what's gonna happen in your psychology? You're thinking like, I'm not making enough, I need to make more money. So right here, the market not moving fast towards our imaginary target somewhere here, or imaginary profit target somewhere here. So this retail trader will definitely double their position to make it profitable at the end of the day. So what is happening next? Deeply in our brain, we are receiving another confirmation of our correct trading analysis from the beginning. And right now we have a bit more resource. Maybe we're already in like small negative or maybe small positive overall trading for these positions compared with this one. We would definitely, as a retail trader, if we have enough amount of account of money, we would definitely place another trade to make it even more profitable. It's quick win, no hassle. Our brain already received 1, 2, and 3 confirmations of our correct first trade move, but incorrect stop loss placing. What's gonna happen next? We are starting to lose a little bit, but we are not afraid, because we know the market might move negative direction, but if it's not moving very much, we can still hold for this position. We can still keep our trades for the profitable result, and we'll be happy by the end of the day. Right now we have nowhere to move. At this point we are still negative if we sum all these 3 positions, and there is no point for us to move back, because we will accept our incompetence and our loss and our failure for today, but the day is not over. So this is not possible for us to do in our psychology. What's gonna happen next? I think you might guess. These traders, they're gonna keep losing money and keep hoping for the reversal. They don't have a stop loss on these accounts, on these positions. They keep those manually on the to push the button whenever they see an aggressive move downwards, and they will close positions just in case. But this shouldn't have happened. This was impossible to happen. And what you can see, the market have moved to exactly the same spot where this type of trader have lost their money initially. This is a big, huge psychological hit, because you have 1, 2, 3, 4 positions with the same negative amount. So we have not doubled, not tripled, we have a multiplier 4 or 5 towards our initial loss. And I'm not planning to make a forecast, because this video is not meant for the forecasting. This video is meant for education of retail traders. Please, if you have questions about this whole trading technique that retail traders have used, and how the market manipulated this pretty much basic human psychology, and how it is easy to get tricked on the market, write me a comment and share your example or experience, how you feel when you're trading. I would be interested to know how you manage such situations, because I think most of us are retail traders. Not this video is not meant for the big guys, and I'm interested in how you guys manage your trades. And if you find this video useful, click like and comment it, and or maybe you want to engage with me directly with questions, feel free to email me or ask questions directly in the comments. Anyways, thank you for watching this, and quick suggestion, please don't rush on the first initial market move, and always think about yourself from the perspective when you're looking at yourself from the side. So try to put yourself on the side and analyze how you act on the market right now, and what you would like to achieve, because to see yourself that you are in a position of hunted, not the hunters. And those hedge funds, big institutional traders, professionals, they will simply see you as a liquidity, and they will definitely grab your stop losses, and eventually, if you're not gonna keep those stop losses, they even grab your you to close positions with even more losses than you have planned previously. Thank you for watching this very brief analysis of retail traders on the Tuesday, August 19th, 2025. Take care. Bye bye, guys.